The lecture is given to you now. It goes without saying that you have to obey law. As long as you live here in this society, you must obey law as one of organizers of this society. Even children understand this matter. Roughly speaking, there are two kinds of law. Just roughly I'm talking about. The one is law enacted by human beings. We have to enact law, otherwise there's nothing we obey. We are not angels, therefore we need laws, which we need to obey. Then we can keep our social order. This is the first kind of law you imagine, usually. Then, talking of second kind of law, it is natural law. Usually, people do not listen to this word. What it is, natural law. In the sphere of the concept of natural law, there are some indispensable rights human beings have by nature. It doesn't matter where you were born. It doesn't matter when you were born. It matters really. As long as you are breathing as one of human beings, you have inherent rights, which you have by nature. Now, I'd like you to think of those two kinds of law. It is very much beneficial for you to philosophize those laws. Surely for you to live well as a being, rational. A Dutch jurist, Hugo Grotius, who was born in 1583 and died in 1645. Devoted his life to the study of jurisprudence. He was born in the Netherlands, and you know that talking of the Netherlands, there is Leiden University, where Nishi Amane-Sensei studied. Hugo Grotius entered Leiden University and studied philosophy, history, and law. At the age of 11, and graduated from the university at the age of 14. No explanation is necessary to you. He had transcendental ability to study sciences. More than you imagine, simply. He had also transcendental ability of Latin and Greek. He was called the father of natural law and international law. To deepen the comprehension of the elements of natural law and natural rights, you feel some sort of necessity for you to know the jurist, Hugo Grotius. Without knowledge of the importance of natural law, human beings, you yourself and human beings, you have different quality of living. Without understanding of your rights, you actually have by nature. You should have glorious days as one of human beings, as a being who uses reason given. The lecture shall be finished now.